we want to talk about a very important day today. It's Law Enforcement Day. So we're paying honor to the men and women who protect and serve, including Trooper Jack Keller, who joins me now from the New York State Police. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Christy.
Law Enforcement Day, it's more than, getting in for free. It's also about connecting with the people on the grounds, right?
It really is. It gives us an opportunity, especially for the State Police. We have a wonderful exhibit over by the Horticultural Building, and then we also kind of showcase some of our specialties units, our K9 unit, which everybody loves, the new dogs and the puppies, and then we have our underwater recovery team, which is our scuba unit, and then we have our SOAR team, which it seems like the older crowd like to see the rappelling show. So it gives us an opportunity to showcase and to have a little fun with the community.
There's also a solemn moment today. I'll take you back to the ceremony that happened. I was there at noon today when we honored the men and women who lost their lives, and sadly, you wish this didn't happen, but more names were added to the memorial that is a solemn tribute to those who lost their lives. Since a year ago, 13 names have been added.
Yeah, and we really appreciate the Eagles Association of Central New York, who actually created that back in 2002. We're hoping that one year we'll never have to add a name, but just for 1 year since 2018, we've added 13 names, 3 of them being one with our department, with the State Police, and certainly you kind of pay honor and try to give some kind of closure for some of the families, but also, we honor these people and let the family know that we're going to be with them. They're part of our family for the, for the rest, and we're one big community, and we want to stay, and let them know we're here for them.
Right, and a lot of family members did attend this ceremony. I did talk to a few of them, and they really appreciated the fact that we took a moment to recognize their loved ones who lost their lives, and also a K9 for the first time was recognized as well.
Yeah, from Riverhead, and Police Department, K9 Rocky was added to the brick laying ceremony, and I think more and more people understand the dangers not only to men and women of law enforcement, but also to the K9s.
Can we talk about patrolling the fairgrounds, because it's like a small city here. I mean, you're getting 100,000 people on a daily basis.
Right.
What do you think are the biggest challenges for you guys?
I think just letting people know that we're here for getting people in and out safely is sometimes a little bit a challenge. For us, a new challenge every year, and then we have a little bit of a difference with the way the bus loop is, so we think a little changing of habits, and people used to coming a certain way may have to change up a little bit, but I think for the most part, people that come by either our exhibit or pass us by will say thank you for being here. They understand we have a job to do, and we're very happy that they can get here safely, and we'll get them out of here safely.
Also, I want to give a plug for the Lost Kids tags, too. Those are really important to stop by, pick them up, and if your kid does get lost, make sure that they go to the trooper.
Yeah, as soon as you come in, most gates, if not all of them, they built these really nice little areas now that you can fill out a lost kid tag. We also suggest that if mom or dad could take a picture once they get here, because sometimes people forget, believe it or not, what their son or daughter's wearing, and then they can show us the photo.
Perfect.
It gets us that much closer to try to find it.
Great idea. Okay, moms and dads listening now, snap a photo of your kids before you come out here at the fairgrounds. Trooper Jack Keller, thank you. And we want to let folks know we've got more coming up with the State Police. Coming at 5:30, we're going to have some really very furry, incredible little guests coming live with us, and you're going to want to meet them. We're going to talk about the K9 unit, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed when they come.
It's a fan favorite.
Here. It is a fan favorite, yeah. Thank you, Trooper Keller.
Thank you.